So now look at this, a 12-hour study plan schedule, and then you look at a longer study schedule also. Okay, 2 hours live classes for a particular subject, 1 hour daily news analysis and static GK, 1 more hour for English or a language paper. So there are few things which are inelastic. Inelastic meaning you can't adjust it here or there. It has to be there whether you start in second year, first year, third year, fifth year, which is your daily news and static GK has to be there 1 hour. Okay. And English again has to be there. Daily news you can make it half an hour, but half an hour is daily news. You need to study static GK also because you need to keep improving it. Then 2 hours of watching recorded sessions and reading notes. This is the stuff that you need access to and you will have to do on your own. But what will measure that this is done? You can mark the note as complete, but you should be able to work on subjective answer writing. Okay, because that confirms that you are learning. But somebody needs to do now. How do you validate that this is working? If you are writing also, correcting also, finding your score and then finding the gap and then improving, this won't take 2 hours, it will take 6-7 hours. So if you get correction and you see the gap and then you can improve because somebody is giving you corrections and showing the gap, or you have a model answer also in addition, both are there, then you can do this for 2 hours regularly and you will be able to write about 5 to 6 answers max. Okay. 1 hour on MCQs to practice objective style type retention and variations. Every day this has to go in, otherwise it will not work. So, the few hours where you're sitting absorbing information, now you have to put it out. The output has to happen. Okay. So 1 hour of MCQs, 30 minutes of reviewing the reports to see where you are lagging. In 1 hour, you will give at least, I'm guessing around 150 MCQs you will give. Okay. Then you'll have to see which are the areas I could do well at, which are the areas I couldn't do well at. So at least the tool should be able to tell you that these sections of the MCQ you didn't do well. These are the parts you're weak at. Then what can you do? You can go back to it and learn. Based on feedback on subjective answer and MCQs, you will need to revise. Okay, so there's a daily revision aspect. Where to improve on where I was lagging. In 30 minutes to plan for the next day. Okay, and 1 hour for my workout, yoga, meditation, affirmations. Okay, you can't tweak this much. Yeah, but once your English is done and you're very confident about language, you can replace it with something else. Daily news static analysis, static GK will reduce over a period of time to 30 minutes. Below 30 minutes is very hard to go because you will not be able to track developments otherwise. Okay. As far as GK websites and books and newspapers are concerned, this can cover two things. There are two types of books. One is the static GK one. Okay. The second is current GK, where they will have a monthly roundup, and it could be a day-to-day calendar for a month. So it's like a 30 days thing for every month and for 9 months. Many publishers are doing that. Okay. So that is for remembering. But the problem is that you never know what will be asked. Okay. Which is why I said that 1 hour you must give daily. So like, you can subscribe, for example, to our daily news analysis of 20 minutes, which is free. Thorough News Analysis, it is called Thorough News Analysis, and it's put up on our YouTube channel. There's a playlist also, and you can subscribe to the channel and watch that video every day. So this is free. Okay, so your GK from as far as current GK is concerned will be very in good shape. Okay. Renan Martin for English would do, but for translations it will not do. See, the reason I'm saying that current GK always continue doing, because general knowledge is not a last minute pill. And some aspects of what happened in 3 years back might be memorable. So they will become static GK. It will not be current GK. Okay, so to be able to be abreast with all of that, if you're studying in second year, you should start studying systematically. So GK, continue to give it that time. Okay, and I'm including this GK time for revision of your 10th, 12th, any other subject also. If they ask you science, geography, history, so that time will go here only. Okay, so looks realistic, right? And I have said that, now which is the part that you are getting to choose a subject. You're getting to choose a subject in the live class part. You're going to choose a subject here, watch recorded sessions and notes. So at the most, you can choose 2 subjects at a time with a language and GK. Okay, more than this, no more multitasking at all.